The gift of physics to mankind is enormous. Perhaps its greatest thing is enlightenment.
Instead of seeing spooks behind every tree, we wake up every morning knowing that nature is law-like. That's a tremendous thing.
There's physics in baseball.
You get on a plane and you go somewhere.
There's physics in golf.
You get on a boat.
There's physics in earthquakes.
Bouncing a ball.
Concert halls.
Pouring ketchup from a bottle.
Understanding how things work is sort of a great way to spend one's life.
You can attribute a great deal of our standard of living to the physics of the 20th century.
And a lot of the advances in medicine and health.
So physicists have had a great deal to do with measuring those properties and assisting in understanding better the way the human body functions.
Modern cell biology relies very heavily on quantum chemistry.
The heart pacemakers, which are beautiful electronic instruments.
The CAT scan.
Magnetic resonance imaging.
X-rays.
Transportation.
Essentially all of our modern means of communication.
Radio waves, television, semiconductor electronics, computers, the internet, cell phones.
Lasers.
Even the telephone.
Where would you be without your Palm Pilot or your iPod?
Labor-saving devices.
Global positioning satellites.
Virtually everything has circuits that depend on physics.
It is absolutely inconceivable that essentially any of that could have happened without physics.
This is physics at work.
Wow, look at what people can do.
AIP was created back in 1931 to advance and diffuse the knowledge of physics and its applications to human welfare.
AIP has been a true center of physics, has been a home for physics in a true sense, I think, in these years. It's been a service organization. I think it's respected the rights of the member societies to go their own ways, but it has always been there for them.
These member societies give rise to new technologies and improving the life quality of both young people and older people.
In recent years, there's been a great fad of authors writing about the end of everything, even the end of physics. There's no end. The frontiers are boundless. Some of the great frontiers out there are the very large and the very small.
Oh, frontiers are wonderful. The thing about kids is that they come out of the womb, and as soon as that air hits their skin, they're learning.
There are planes flying. Why? Why do these planes fly? Because we came up with that model of like, how is that bird really doing it? And then we built it. And we built it using physics.
At SPS, I researched the electrical conductivity of organic polymers on the nanoscale.
My research interests really lie in pursuing a PhD in physics in the field of quantum computing.
New challenges are put in front of you all the time when you work with young people. The enthusiasm they bring, the freshness they bring to a problem is just wonderful. All your assumptions are changed. That's the wonderful thing about youth. And of course, that's what science is all about.
To AIP, I would say, happy anniversary, and please keep up the good work.